Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. Today I will show you how to create an automated graph in Excel. What does it mean? It means once I input the data, it will update the graph or chart automatically. So here I have created one already, and then I will add some values underneath this column C and D. And I will add some points as well. And then I can see that the graph is also changed automatically without any manual touch point. Now I will show you how to create this. First of all, we have to rename column C and D, or define name column C and column D. So for this, we have to go to the formula option on the top and then define name. Click on it. Name, let's say this is name, so I keep as is, and then in the refers to option underneath, I delete this. So here I have to use offset function and count a conjugated function. First offset, I typed offset and then first a parenthesis, then I have to select column row C2, remember row C2, and then 0, 0. So what does it mean? The first 0 means I don't move, the data should not move or should not be picked up from right or left, and the second 0 means not top or bottom. Then comma, count a formula, then first parenthesis again, and then select the whole column by clicking on the header of C. Parenthesis closed. Now -1, it means it will start from up underneath the header, not including the header, I mean excluding the header, and then another comma, another one, and a parenthesis closed, which means just one row at a time. Then click OK. Similarly, I should rename point here. Click on point, define name, point is there. Then offset 0, 0, count a formula, selecting the whole column, the parenthesis closed, -1, and click OK now. So we have created or defined the name of those columns. Now select the whole data set from column C and D, go to the insert option on the top, and then now add chart from the top or graph, and then the chart is created. Now what I have to do, I have to insert the defined names here. Right click and then select data, and then here I can see in the left side point, click on point, it will be highlighted, and then click edit. Then in the series values, after the exclamation mark, I should delete all the data or information, then type the given or defined name, which is point. Remember, you have to add point in the point and name in the name. So click OK, and then on the right side, just edit, click on edit, and then exactly the same, delete the information after exclamation mark, and then just type name and then click OK. Click again OK. Now if I add the data underneath C and D, let's say O and P, then I can see the value and add the value, and then I can see that on the graph it is changed, and then again. So yep, so this is how you can create an automated chart in Excel. Thanks everyone.